Hello, good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. I wanted to just do a quick video, take 5 minutes of your time just to go through this car. It's just come into part exchange. It's a lovely car. It's at the top of the tree when it comes to the standard range in Range Rover Sport. It's a D350, so straight six twin turbo diesel, autobiography, so completely the top there. Finished in Santorini Black. We have the black pack on the car as well. Again, autobiography, so you've got your digital LED headlights on the car, and the car, even with it being autobiography, has got the option of the upgrade on the 23-inch gloss black wheels. Coming around to the side of the car, you'll notice we've got privacy glass. That is a standard feature on the car, and we have the deployable handles, which are also keyless, done by the little indent in the doors. Just coming around to the back of the car, it is a full approved Land Rover, which means it will come with at least 1 year warranty, currently 2 years if you are financing. Got a rear camera on the car. If I just go into the boot, loads of space in there for you. You can electrically raise and lower the car from a point of view of the rear suspension, making it easy to get things in and out, and we can electrically fold down those seats for you as well. Just come around to the side again, with it being an approved car, we don't have anything like, there shouldn't be any scuffs or scratches, certainly no damage to the wheels, and it is a really nice example, being very well looked after. In the rear of the car, we have got the semi-airline ebony seats, their own climate control in the back there, and 2 USB-C ports as well, and they can also recline their rear seats via this switch here. You'll notice we've also got the electric deployable side steps on the car as well, and if I just come around onto the side, you'll see we've got soft closed doors as well. Really nice specification. Just into the passenger seat, electric memory seats, standard on the car. This car also just has the full Meridian surround sound system. If I just go round to the driver's seat, the exact mileage on the car today is 26,814 miles. We've got a sliding panoramic roof, and I know it is starting to get a little bit later on in the day, but we have got a really nice suede cloth headlining as well. As far as your interior comfort's concerned, we've obviously got the semi-airline seats again, we've got heated seats, and we've also got the cooled seats as well. Dual zone climate and the climate in the rear, head-up display, adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and heated steering wheel. And then if we go onto the system here, we've got all the terrain response systems, we've got the Apple CarPlay, we've got Android Auto, and if you go in onto here, this is where you'll be able to go one step further with your seats and be able to do the massaging for the driver and the passenger. Just in the centre, you've got additional storage in there, and then here we've got 2 additional cup holders, and just nicely placed here is the wireless charging for your phone as well. So pretty much everything on the car, plus options, which makes it, I mean, new this vehicle would have been over £100,000. Definitely worth coming in, having a test drive. The engine is a really nice engine on this car. If you can't make it down instantaneously though, we can reserve the car, just £99. And if you want to do that, please do give me a call. My name's Chris, and it's on 01642 644 444.